Hey there, CPO here, and today is oil change and air filter change day. And I just wanted to do a quick tip for folks who may be wanting to tackle these jobs on their own and may not be super familiar with this process. So things that we take for granted if we've done this a lot are the little things that a new person who is just changing their air filter may not even consider. So this tip is about the air filter, and these are directional. So they have they've been designed in such a way that air can flow through in a certain direction. And in this case, coming up, now this is an aftermarket air box, but it uses the same top piece and the same filter as your factory air box. So air comes from the bottom in mine, and in yours as well, and then goes up through the top and then into the engine. So airflow is going to go that way. So there is a right way and a wrong way to put this in. And so what a lot of people may not know, if you've never done this before, is how to tell which way is right. Now, some air filters may have a directional arrow on them. These generally do not, but what they do have is this little indexing corner here. So if you look at the lower air filter box, you can see one side has this little section here for this guy, and it's the same thing on the top of the box. You can see here this is rounded, and then that one is squared, and it's indexed such a way that will allow that corner to fit in there. So if you're putting in your own air filter and you put it in backwards, it will fit and you can force it in the wrong way, but you see this little corner here doesn't have a place to go. So that is the tip. Make sure you know which way the air filter goes, and then you'll get the correct airflow direction. So in my case, it's going to go just like that, and that is the right way to put in your air filter in a 2007 to current Jeep Wrangler. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.